Hi friends, welcome to our channel again. Are you pregnant, or trying? Then avoid these 3 chemicals, right now. To know more, watch this video, till end. Chemicals are everywhere. In our food, cosmetics, cleaning products, and personal care products also. With just a bit of knowledge, we can drastically reduce our exposure to these bad chemicals, especially those which are most harmful to a developing baby. Women have a higher percentage of body fat than men. And toxins produced by these chemicals end up stored in our fat cells. So women are more prone to these toxins, especially pregnant women. Breastfeeding is also a route of exposure to these chemicals for growing babies, meaning that the need to avoid toxic chemicals does not end with delivery. These chemicals are 1. Fragrance. Fragrance-producing chemicals, as ingredients in cleaning products and personal care products, can be a combination of hundreds of potential chemicals. Companies consider the scent of their products to be proprietary, and therefore, are not about to provide a list of the chemical cocktail used to create a certain smell. And we would love to believe that these fragrances are harmless. That is not always right. International Fragrance Association has found that in fragrances, many of these chemicals are known to cause health problems, and are associated with endocrine disruption, and may pose a significant threat to developing babies. What to do? Take an extra moment to look at the list of ingredients on the product you are considering. 2. Bisphenol A. Commonly known as BPA. BPA readily binds to our estrogen receptors and cause disturbance in endocrine glands functions. BPA is found in most plastics, including hidden sources, such as the linings of tin cans. Drink from a stainless steel water bottle, and use glass containers for transporting your lunches to work. BPA is also used in the thermal paper that receipts are printed on, so if you really need them, keep them in a special envelope, and not loose in your pockets or purse. 3. Triclosan. Triclosan is an antimicrobial agent, and has been the subject of growing concern. It is commonly found in antibacterial hand soaps, cleaning products, and hand sanitizers. It is also used in hair products, cosmetics, toothpastes, and mouthwashes. Triclosan is an endocrine disruptor, and can cause uterine abnormalities, such as changes in cell morphology, and increase in uterine weight, as well as the suppression of thyroid hormone levels. It has been found in human blood, urine, breast milk, and cord blood, indicating that women must be aware of their exposure, as well as that of their developing babies and newborns to this chemical. Due to the fact that triclosan is a pesticide, with a few extra minutes of reading labels, it is possible to significantly reduce exposure. Check the labels on all your body care products, and do yourself a favor by replacing triclosan containing products with plant-based substitutes. Anything you can do to avoid chemicals during preconception, pregnancy, and nursing will be of great benefit to you and your baby. It is nearly impossible to live in a way where an extent of chemical exposure is avoided 100%. But try to achieve as much as possible during preconception, pregnancy, and lactation period. If you like this video, then give us a like, share this video, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.